Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Thought I would make a video. Alright, Vanessa was cruising Craigslist last night. My wife. She found an awesome deal. A real awesome deal. So here it is. We'll show you. Hang right on. Alright guys, there it is. It's a Onan generator. Sitting in the field there. And the guy wanted 75 bucks for it. RV generator, 75 bucks, Dallas, Oregon. Alright, so it's an Onan Emerald. It is a 4.0 4,000 watt generator. Electric start. And so we scratched our lottery ticket. And we'll show you what we come up with. I don't know anything yet. However, I needed to move it from the truck to make it mobile. So I made a little trailer for it. And it hooks to the lawn tractor. That way that sucker can go anywhere we want. And I'll show you. Hang on. Let's go out in the yard. Alright guys, this is what we come up with. I had a hook to the lawn tractor so I could move it, right? That thing is heavy. That thing is a buttload of heavy. Excuse me, a boatload of heavy. Anyway, I hooked it to an old pressure washer frame. I just cut it up. Welded it gently. Not really good, but works for now. We don't even know if this thing runs. I don't know. We're gonna show you the front here. See, that's where you got a hold of it. That's the cart arm. I just put a tongue off of it. Yeah, I just welded a little tongue off of it. Welded a flat plate. Hooked it to the lawnmower so I can move this thing. So now we got a trailer. Generator on a trailer. Alright. It's an Onan. It's a McGraw Edison. And bring you in with the tag, guys. Or try to. I don't know if this is going to work, guys. I apologize if it doesn't. It's been sitting out in the weather for a while. But it's a 30 amp generator. It's nothing huge. I think it says 36.3. Yeah. And that's the engine instructions on that side. Yeah. There's a label there for the engine. There's a label there for the generator. See you. But it's all automatic. It's got a fuel pump, electric start. It's twin cylinder, of course. Guy just cut the muffler off the back, so we'll have to put a muffler on it. If it runs, let's find out first. Alright, so we're going to call this part 1. At least now it's mobile, right? Regardless if it runs or not, we have to be able to move it. Who wants a lump of that sitting in their driveway? Alright, so call this part 1 of the Onan 4.0 RV genset. Or something along there. Thanks, guys. Remember, if you watch, thumbs up. See if we can make this thing percolate.